We'll guide you through how to get ChatGPT 5. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website using your desktop browser. Once there, navigate to the Products section on the top menu and look for ChatGPT. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the ChatGPT page where you can find different versions of ChatGPT, including the latest version, ChatGPT 5. If you already have an OpenAI account, you can simply log in. If not, you need to create one by clicking the Sign Up button and following the prompts to enter your email and create a secure password. Once logged in, scroll down to the section that lists different subscription plans. Here, you'll find the option to subscribe to ChatGPT 5. Be sure to check if there's a free trial available, as OpenAI sometimes offers this for new users. Choose the plan that suits you best, and click on the Subscribe button. You will then be prompted to enter your payment details. Make sure to review the plan details and pricing before confirming your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you should have access to ChatGPT 5. You can start using it by returning to the ChatGPT page and clicking the Launch ChatGPT button. Remember, if you're using it for the first time, take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with its features. ChatGPT 5 offers improved conversational capabilities and a more user-friendly interface compared to its predecessors, so enjoy experimenting with it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.